So I just finished packaging up this slime package here, you guys, and I think it looks so adorable. So I finally got my shred back in. I was like out of purple and I was running out of mint. I was so nervous, but I finally put an order through. They finally got it back in stock and I ordered a bunch. Unfortunately, it's like in these small bags now instead of the bigger bags, so that kind of sucks, but I did order a bunch of them and it came just in time for this package to go out. So I think it looks super cute, and of course there's a bunch of little extras and goodies in there, and I will definitely be linking that video, her channel, when she received this, so you guys can check it out. Also, just something that I wanted to add, you guys, the other day I accidentally put the wrong picture on my thumbnail. So I was actually supposed to use this picture that you're gonna see right over here. And I'm actually super excited because I just figured out how to do that. Look, you guys, you see that? You see that? Now I'm gonna be able to like show you things that I'm thinking about. And yeah, I'm like so super excited about that. So anyway, point of the story being, I was supposed to use that picture you guys just saw, and instead I accidentally used this picture, which is pretty freaking cool looking if you ask me. So I kind of got confused just because I made both the videos in the same day and both the slimes were kind of similar looking, but I just wanted to let you guys know that was not clickbait, and that is actually a picture of the slime that I'm going to be showing you guys in this video. And you know what? Let's do that right now. So we are just having a little bit of technical difficulties, you guys, but hopefully this is gonna work out. Oh my goodness, look at the shadow. What the heck? I don't think this is gonna be good for filming. Well, maybe if I put one of my filming lights over there, which I probably should have done and didn't do. But I'm a lazy girl and a busy girl and a tired girl. What the heck do you expect from me? Probably more than this. But anyway, let's not get into that right now. So this next slime, this was actually supposed to be a mermaid fizz, but I ended up leaving out the purple, and then I ended up going a little bit crazy and making the colors totally different than my regular mermaid fizz. Also, I used a different base and a different clay. So basically, it's a totally new slime, and I'm gonna be calling this one 80s Unicorn Princess. And it was really hard to think of a name. I know that these colors scream 80s to me. These were like my favorite colors in the 80s, especially this one right here, along with purple. So this totally screams 80s to me. So we're gonna open it up and see if the swirl I created on top is still there. Ooh, you guys, it kind of is. Okay, so I overfilled just a tiny bit, no leakage. It just messed up. Oh my gosh, you guys, the scent on this. Okay, so because originally this was gonna be my mermaid slime, it is scented. It's scented mermaid munchies. Oh, you guys, it smells so good and fresh. So next time I make this, and I actually have a bunch more left too that I'm gonna package up, but next time I make it, I'm gonna scent the blue part cotton candy and the pink part bubblegum, because I think that says, you know, Kawaii 80s Unicorn Princess to me. But anyway, here is the slime, and it is a snow fizz. And we are just gonna add on some of the add-ins. So we're gonna put on some of this glitter over here. Sprinkle that on. This glitter is from AliExpress, by the way. Put a little bit on the table for aesthetic. And then I was thinking that Mylar glitter would go really pretty with this slime. I actually have a lighter pink in the other room, which would probably match better, but once again, I'm a lazy girl, I'm a busy girl, I'm a tired girl, say it however you want. Luckily not too tired to make some slime today though, and last night. I actually made this slime last night, so it did have the day and the evening and the night to sit. That looks super pretty. then I thought we could add on some of these hearts right here. I love these little heart spangles and star spangles. They are so cute. So we're gonna add on a few of those. Oh yeah, I really like that. And then I was thinking we need some hollow, but I can't find my hollow stars anywhere. Like, what the heck? So because we're turning it into a unicorn slime, of course we need some unicorns, and luckily I have unicorns in the perfect matching colors. And normally if I was sending this out to someone, I would just place a few on the top, and then like I would send some of these in a little baggie for them to add on themselves. But normally if I'm not on camera, I like literally like place them one by one exactly where I want them so they look perfect. So we've got the turquoise unicorns, and then we've got the pink. We definitely need the pink. I actually want to order these in a bunch more colors because they're so pretty. Oh my gosh, you guys, I love that. And then, of course, we need sprinkles. So I'm a little bit stuck. I know these sprinkles here match perfectly. I love those so much, but I was like, you know, the whole 80s, like pop princess kind of theme. I was like, maybe these stars, you know? Honestly, I haven't used these stars on a slime yet, as you could probably tell. So I don't know, either these stars, I was thinking maybe even these, but these ones kind of like are more like cupcake, you know, dessert themed. So I don't think we're gonna go with those. I could also use these stars, but I don't know, you guys, I'm kind of feeling these ones. Should I go with it? Should I break the... You know, let's just do it, guys. Let's just do it. Let's just do it. I can always make it different next time, right? Okay, let's see how this works out. Oh my gosh, you guys, I think I love it. Oh my gosh, it is so pretty. This is like gonna turn into adding too many ingredients into a 6-ounce slime. And then we are gonna top it off with some hollow, because of course nothing is finished without hollow, right? And honestly, I think we've lost the turquoise, so now I'm gonna add a little bit more turquoise on top to finish it off. Okay, you guys, there we are. What do we think? I think it's gorgeous. I can't really see the unicorns anymore, but it's super pretty. Oh yeah, there's a unicorn. There's a unicorn. Oh my gosh, you guys, I freaking love it. Okay, are we ready to poke? You know what, let's put some sprinkles on just for the heck of it, okay? I think it needs some freaking sprinkles. There we go. Ah, they're so beautiful. Oh yeah, it definitely needed some sprinkles. And you know what? While we're adding all these ingredients, why not add on some of these? Because they match pretty freaking well too. Now, not too many, because this is a sleigh slime. We don't want them to fall out. Oh my gosh, you guys, these actually look really freaking cool on here. And in case you're wondering, these are just colored fishbowl beads from my good friend Allie, aka AliExpress. And there we go, guys. Honestly, I don't think we need any pink ones. I think it's great. Just like that. And then I'm just gonna add like a couple more unicorns because I can't see them. And then last but not least, the charm. So this is the charm that I picked out, and it helped me come up with the name for the slime. I knew it was gonna be 80s something, but I wasn't quite sure what. Oh wait. We need some of this going on. We need some of this. Oh yeah, thumbnail material here, people. Here we go. Okay. There we go. Now I can do a thumbnail. Okay, you guys, what do we think? Pretty? Do we like? Do we love? I like. Only thing is, if I tip it over, it's all gonna come crashing out. So there is the unicorn slime. Yay! I wonder if I can get a thumbnail pic like that. I don't want it all to come crashing out. Okay, are you ready, you guys? This is gonna be like super crunchy. Super crunch city. Oh, I won't stand on that side. Ready? Oh yeah. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Look at that swirl. Oh, and it smells so good, you guys. Oh yeah, that is so pretty, and there's gonna be so much glitter. Oh my goodness, let's just put more of that in there. Oh yeah, you guys, look at that. Another thumbnail. That is so freaking pretty. Okay, are we ready? Of course we are. Oh yeah, you guys, it's fizzy. Okay, let's take it. Oh my gosh, you guys, honestly, it smells so freaking good. Okay, let's do a swirl before it's all... Okay, that is like not the best swirl, but... You guys, I love it so much. Okay, seriously, you guys, it smells so good. Oh, it's inflating. It's inflating. Oh, there goes the fishbowl bead. I knew they might not be a good idea. You guys, it is inflating like crazy, but this stupid tripod is in my way. It's inflating already. Oh my goodness. Okay, you guys, so here it is. I've only been inflating it for like 30 seconds, like less than a minute, and it's already so nice. Oh, and we only lost one fishbowl bead so far. Honestly, it could be activated more. It's like on the borderline, so you could say. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I think I'll activate it just a little bit more. But yeah, you guys, it is so freaking nice. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, there's the fishbowl bead. So I haven't activated it anymore yet, but I just wanted to show you guys how even though it's a sleigh slime, you can like totally see all of the add-ins and the glitter in it, which is so freaking awesome. And now we are just gonna check out the inflation. I've been inflating it for about a minute, so we're gonna just check out the inflation on this because I'm pretty sure when I made it last night that it was inflating. So we're just gonna check this out, you guys. Oh my gosh, yay! Okay, you guys, look at that. And honestly, like I said, that isn't even a minute. So if I kept going, it would be a lot bigger. Like, I'm sure this could more than double. You guys, I'm so excited. I finally mastered or learned how at least to make inflating slimes. Yay, look at all that extra. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so excited. You guys, this smells so freaking good. Oh my goodness. What the heck? Oh my goodness, I love it. But even though it's super stretchy, it is still like super holdable. Like, it is so freaking holdable, you guys. Like, you could just keep holding that and it's not going anywhere, which I love.
Well guys, that was it for today's video, but I hope you really enjoyed making this unicorn slime with me. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up because it really helps the channel. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe because I've got lots more awesome content on the way. That's it for today, but I'll see you guys real soon. Don't forget to stay home and stay safe. Bye for now, Miss Eddie Blue.